As we embrace the design trends of this year, the world of modern bedroom decor continues to evolve, merging aesthetics with functionality to create luxurious sanctuaries for relaxation and rejuvenation. This ultimate guide will explore the latest in luxury interior design, focusing on contemporary bedroom styles, high-end furnishings, color palettes for bedrooms, innovative bedroom lighting ideas, and space optimization techniques. The design landscape for this year is characterized by a harmonious blend of sustainability and luxury. Eco-friendly materials are becoming increasingly popular, emphasizing the importance of both style and environmental consciousness. Look for organic textiles, reclaimed wood, and energy-efficient fixtures that not only enhance the beauty of your space, but also support a healthier planet. Modern bedroom decor is defined by its versatility. In this year, expect to see a variety of contemporary bedroom styles that cater to different tastes and lifestyles. Minimalist designs focus on simplicity and clean lines, while maximalist approaches celebrate bold patterns and vibrant colors. Incorporating elements from both styles can create a balanced and visually appealing environment. When it comes to luxury interior design, the choice of furnishings is paramount. Invest in high-end furnishings that not only elevate the aesthetic of your bedroom, but also provide comfort and durability. Key pieces to consider include statement beds. Choose a luxurious bed frame, perhaps upholstered in rich fabrics or adorned with intricate detailing. Designer nightstands. Look for nightstands that offer both style and functionality, featuring unique designs or high-quality materials. Comfortable seating. A plush armchair or chaise lounge can add a touch of sophistication and provide a cozy nook for reading or relaxation. The color palette you choose can significantly influence the overall mood of your bedroom. In this year, expect to see a shift towards calming, muted tones such as soft earth shades, pastel hues, and rich jewel tones. These colors create a serene atmosphere that promotes relaxation. Consider using a combination of these shades to create depth and interest in your space. Accent walls or decorative elements in contrasting colors can also enhance the visual appeal. Lighting plays a crucial role in modern bedroom decor. It not only illuminates the space, but also sets the mood. In this year, innovative lighting solutions are at the forefront of luxury interior design. Consider the following ideas. Layered lighting. Combine ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a well-lit and inviting space. Smart lighting. Incorporate smart lighting systems that allow you to adjust the brightness and color temperature according to your mood or time of day. Statement fixtures. Invest in eye-catching chandeliers or pendant lights that serve as focal points in the room. Maximizing space is essential in modern bedroom decor, especially in urban environments where square footage can be limited. Implement clever space optimization techniques to enhance functionality without compromising style. Multifunctional furniture. Opt for furniture that serves multiple purposes, such as a bed with built-in storage or an ottoman that doubles as a seat and a storage unit. Vertical solutions. Utilize vertical space with tall bookshelves, wall-mounted shelves, or hooks that keep the floor area clear while adding aesthetic value. Mirror magic. Strategically placing mirrors can create the illusion of a larger space and enhance natural light. In summary, the ultimate guide to modern bedroom decor in this year emphasizes the integration of luxury and functionality. By embracing contemporary bedroom styles, investing in high-end furnishings, selecting the right color palettes, and implementing innovative lighting and space optimization techniques, you can create a luxurious sanctuary that reflects your personal style and meets your practical needs. As you embark on your design journey, remember that the key to a successful modern bedroom lies in the harmonious balance of aesthetics and comfort.